Villagers once actually relied on healers, midwives, and magicians, but centuries later, people were accused of witchcraft and having pacts with the evil. What exactly changed? Back in ancient European times, people actually liked to go to magicians, healers, and midwives just to ask them if they can help them out with their everyday problems, like predicting crops, curing illnesses, and just other random favors. It was a day-to-day thing. So to the villagers, these people were highly respected because they had connections to the unseen world, so it was said, and they were able to make things work for the villagers. That's what gave them the ultimate authority. So they were respected. They helped them. Then, later on, we had another institution who also claimed to have connections to the unseen world. This institution also had a lot of respect. Shared authority. Helped. It's very important, before I go any deeper into this, that not all Christians thought that this was evil. It was the institution that decided who had the ultimate power. So if these two collide, of course there's going to be some sort of power struggle, right? You have two different views who rely on individuals. They both rely on them. The only thing is that this is an institution and these are individual people. This institution was connected around all regions of Europe. These people here relied on individual members. And this is how the magicians, midwives, and healers ended up becoming sort of a target, because later on, someone built a theology that if people can make miracles happen for others, there must be either God or a demon at play. And after that, this authority gained... Oh, wait a minute. You know what? You see the same thing I'm seeing? How did I never think about it? I'm serious. What is this? Holy sh! Guys, I don't know if you can read this, but guess what? That's an authority, right? Oh. Holy crap. I'm not talking about Christians, you guys, not yet. I'm talking about the institution, which has a lot more heavy power than an individual has. They're much more connected in different regions. But do you see that? They both are authority. Don't authorities kind of rely on society? To be seen as an authority? Because they were both respected, right? They both helped. They both had rituals. They both had leaders. So I guess this authority was individual, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. And this authority was what? Institution? Oh, of course. Of course, man. If this is an institutional authority, what's going to happen to the individual authority? Especially if they start questioning this. Which is funny because they were both having the same things that worked for them to have the society believe in their authority. That's very interesting, you guys. I think we may be onto something. What do you think? Long before large institutions governed belief, spiritual authority often came from individuals like healers, midwives, or wise men. These individuals claimed access to the unseen, forces that could heal, protect, or influence the whole world. But another authority was growing, the organized church. Unlike individual healers, the church had something very powerful, which was a collective belief. So the church wasn't just one voice, but it spread really across regions, and it created a shared authority over belief. But what happens when two authorities claim the same power? One solution was simple: redefine their rival. Society decides which authority it trusts, and once society chooses, that authority becomes sacred. So when two authorities claim the unseen, the struggle isn't just spiritual, it is very much about who society chooses to believe.